I want to show you how to change your username on TikTok. The name up here is your name on TikTok, and the one in the middle, the one with @ is your username. If you want to change the username, all you need to do is to click on the edit profile. You can see your name. You can change your name if you want to change your name. This is it. Then if you want to change your username, you click on the username. Then you erase the existing username and type in the new username you want to change into, and make sure you are inputting the right username, because you can't be able to rechange it until after 30 days. And once you finish entering your name, you click on save, and the new username will be updated. So guys, that is it on how to change your username on TikTok. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, give me thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.